Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here, and I'm gonna give it to you straight. Today was really bad, and I'm ending November, worst month of my trading career. Granted, overall markets are down. Papa Powell pulled the rug out from under us, changing his tune on inflation, meaning December is shaping up to be pretty shaky. We hit some fresh lows here on the SPY. Doesn't look really good. We did recover in afters, and futures are pointing a little bit green, but you know, this does not look good. We got till December 10th for Congress to figure out that Build Back Better plan. We got the looming debt ceiling thing coming up again. Yeah, it's not looking good. Next level of potential support is going to be that 453 on the SPY, so keep an eye out on that. Do I think we gap down tomorrow? Not necessarily. We might have another try to bounce, but at this point, you know, it seems like 459 is going to be fresh resistance, and then we'll probably just continue bleeding out until we test this zone. So we'll see. As for myself, I lost the most money on PPSI and CPIX, and I guess I'll go over it here. So this was just, it was just rough, man. I mean, I grabbed some in the morning. I had a win. What really did me in was trying to get trades in midday like a freaking idiot. I had a good one here, scaling in, selling on this fail for pretty much break even. But then once this held, I got back in for 20 shares at 446, sold at 473, and then tried to get back in at 494, took some shares at 441, and then yeah, it just didn't work. Stopped it out here when we broke the 35.50, and then here, this is the undoing. 210 shares at 479 midday, because here's what I was seeing. Boom. Trend break. That's what I was seeing. So I'm like, okay, we're breaking trend. We're going to retest the high a day. I know I got a risk at this point, 424, 425, right? And yeah, I watch it grind all the way back down. And then boom, stops me out. Boom, spikes at the end of the day. Which is just like what I freaking get for making this trade at 9:40 Pacific, 12 in the middle of lunch time, mid freaking day. What am I doing? I was too no, I have to make money on this. I have to have a good day today, cause blah blah blah. Close strong. Yep. Then took a fat L on PPSI. I don't know why it takes me back so far in time. Tried it in the morning, broke down, didn't take the washout long, that was obvious, but instead tried to grab this pullback when it was squeezing up, thinking we would retest, and then I just had to take the L here. In the afters, we didn't get the squeeze that I wanted to, didn't take my out that would have been profitable when I got it, because again, I'm trying to hold for bigger moves, and I completely didn't take the context of the day in mind. We're having a bad freaking day. Markets are down, fear and uncertainty in the air. Everything's been getting beat up all freaking day, and you're sitting here taking garbage trades, trying to hold for a bigger move so you can be green and have a good finish to the month. I ended up taking a freaking max loss on the day, right? And I do want to share. I do want to share this. I made an R multiple spreadsheet. It basically is starting capital gives you your 1% risk, and then it automatically adjusts. I have a 4R daily max loss, 2R position loss, and then as you move on, like, see how it adjusts. If I like make 1,000, and then let's say I like lose 200 and whatever, like all of this changes. The R level changes as you go, and I'm really like, that's just to sort of help me prevent risk of ruin, right? So as the drawdown continues, the amount that I'm risking per trade is decreasing. So ended up taking a big max loss today, meaning my max risk now is 62.74. Just so embarrassing. I worked so hard to claw back that $600 loss, and I just brought myself right back in the hole. Like, here we are. Last 30 trading days, down 214. Like, granted, not my worst, but definitely a very bad, like, discouraging way to end the month. And I haven't had a green month since May, so that's really annoying, and I'm probably gonna need to size down tomorrow, because clearly, if you can't tell by this video, I am tilted. Very, very tilted. Anyway, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. Be better than me. That's all I can tell you. I'll be back tomorrow with a thing where we go over the gainers and stuff. I'm just not even gonna bother with the freaking subscribe sales pitch things. I feel like ass. So, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.